The key at this point is to get them talking, to engage in conversation. So I wouldn't lead with an open-ended question like, great, you guys are all done. Do you have any question? Perfect way for them to go, nope, skedaddle, they're out the door. See ya, bye. So instead, use a conversation starter like, do you live in the neighborhood? And then sit back and listen, and they'll tell you everything that you need to know. So you say, do you live in the neighborhood? They say, no, we came up from the Bay Area. We're up here for a couple of days. We're thinking about relocating to Nevada. We just thought we would take a look around and see what our options were. Great. No, we live in Spanish Springs, but I work in the south end of town, and I thought that it might be good to buy something that's closer to where I work. Or no, or yes, I do live in the neighborhood. We live 2 blocks away. We lived here for 20 years. We're in a big 2-story home. We're not getting any younger. We need a smaller home and a single story. So again, get them talking. Give them a conversation starter and get them talking and interact with them so that you can get information on who they are and what they're looking for. So information is power. The more questions you can ask them, the more interaction that they can give you, the more trust and the more rapport you're going to build with them as a result. Then play off of that information. Their answer to one question will generate other questions that you will have. Also find things in common. They're standing there, there's a little kid standing next to him. How old's your son? Oh, he's 9. Oh, cool, my daughter's 11. What school does he go to? Whatever it is that you can use in order to bond with them, in order to connect with them, is very, very useful. It makes you stand out from everybody else that they interacted with on that day in the 4 other open houses that they went through. So you want to, again, ideally you want to build a connection with them in a short period of time.